Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good afternoon. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Aisyah Fauzia Rahma. I'm student of Aisyah University. What I want to do this afternoon is to discuss tips and tricks material about listening part B in TOEFL. My presentation lasts about 20 minutes. Let's start or listen. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hopefully, in the next few minutes, we can focus on the learning and understanding the material that has been given for part B listening strategy, that is number one. If you have the time, review the answer of the listening part B question. While you are looking at the answer, you should try to anticipate the question for each of the groups of answer. Number two, listen carefully to the first line of the talk. The first line of the talk often contain the main idea, subject, or topic of the conversation, and you often be asked to answer such question. Number three, as you listen to the talk, follow along with me answer in your textbook and try to determine the correct answer. The tile are generally answered in order in the conversation, and the answer often sound the same as what is said on the recording. Number four, you should even even if you are not sure. Never leave any answer blank. Number, use any remaining time to look ahead at the answer to question that follow. So now let's continue to skill 7, egg. The first skill is skill 7, and skill 7. Let me give you an example. Blah blah blah, such as example question. Blah blah blah. Option A, and the answer is when. Why? Because asking about the time. Next, let's now move on to the skill or two sentence. Generally, give you topic. You should be asking yourself what the topic is while you are listening carefully to the first part of the conversation. So the first line is very important because it contains main idea of the conversation. For example, narrator listen to the conversation between two students. Man, what did you think of the history exam? A woman, that was the hardest exam I've ever seen. A man, and wasn't just hard. It was uh, it was long too. You think the topic of the conversation is a very long and difficult history exam. Uh, Sample question: What What is the topic of conversation one? Next last, skill 9 is the order of the answer. So the answer in order. For example, narrator. To question 1 and 2. Listen to student of the university campus. Man, can you help me? I'm lost. Woman, sure. Where are you trying to go? Man, I have a class in Stanford half at 3 o'clock. It thought I knew where I was going, but I was wrong. A woman, you are centrally are lost. Stanfield, on how on Theodore side of the university. I am heading in that direction. Come on with me and I'll show you the way, man. Thanks. You are a lifesaver. Question. Next, question number one. What problem does the man have? Option A, he is sick. Option B, he is lost. Option C, he is tired. Option D, he is broke. The answer is B, he is lost. Because very clear in the first line, can you help me? I'm lost. Next question number two. What Where is Stanfield Hall? Option A, directly in front of them. Option B, to the left. Option C, quite nearby. Option D, on the other side of campus. Is answer the answer is D. Stanfield, because Stanfield Hall is on the other side of the university. The university exam the campus. Okay, so far I present, presented about strategies for part B listening question. Let me now sum up and give some tips. Tips one, while you listening to the narrator given instruction for listening part B, keep your eyes on each option you can just and get an idea of what will be developed. Tips 2, when the dialogue is spoke, concentrate on the first sentence so that you can judge the topic of conversation and just what will be said next. Tips 3, focus on in bahasa 5 West plus 1H, because the question must begin with what, when, where, who, why, and how. Tips Last tips 4, remember important detail, such who is speaking, what topic, what of place, that of incident. Okay, thank you. That's all I can say. Hopefully, it can be useful for everyone and understand what I have explained it. Let me end by saying alhamdulillah, alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you very much for your great attention. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your listening. My all guys, to we have share be beneficial for all of us. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.